This payment, it says I cannot pay by cash, it's only pay by credit card. Okay, maybe I still have my old credit card on this, that's why it's a problem. Maybe I just ask this man. Ask him. Okay. Hey, you Marina Beach. Marina Beach.
Marina Mall, yeah?
Yeah, Marina Beach Hotel, yeah. Yeah, meet up. Oh God, oh, thank you, my friend. See you. Bye. Marina Beach Hotel, you know? Okay, good. Yeah, okay. I'm only going to give you 300 because you did not. You took me the long way, right?
100.
No. Because you took me the long way. This No.
100.
You took me way the long way. This was not the direct way, right? You understand, right? Please. I don't know if you did it deliberately.
Okay.
Or okay. 300. Okay. See you.
100.
Okay. Chancer took me the absolute long way. I was watching on Google Maps. He missed the turning twice. That fare should have been like 250 or something. It ended up coming to like 475. Right, let's see what $56 a night gets you in a 4 or 5 star hotel in Colombo. Nice big bath there, brilliant. Look how deep that is. Nice big deep bath, all the shower amenities, and nice big overhead rain shower there. I like that. Overhead rain shower is better than those normal little crappy attachment things that they usually give you. And what is this? Hugh Hefner style dressing gown. I'll be wearing that tonight. Over here, a wee box, a wee wooden box. Damro La Bouquelli, pure Ceylon tea. What have we got? Cinnamon, green tea, English breakfast, ginger tea, lemon tea, Earl Grey. Well, I'm here for 2 nights, so if I do 3 different ones each day, I should get through all of them. Now, he said the minibar was included. I wonder how much I'm actually getting out of that. There's a packet of biscuits, some peanuts. I think that's about it. I guess there must be a fridge in here. And, alright, Coke, Sprite, Fanta, and a fruit juice. All included. No extra charge for that. Brilliant. Oh, nice. A big 50-inch. I reckon that's 50-inch anyway. What would that be? I reckon that's a 50-inch TV right in front of the comfy bed. And let's feel how comfy it is. Oh, it does. It is as comfy as it looks. That's a major improvement over that Capsule Hotel, which is the first hotel I ever stayed in Colombo. And aye, a sofa there. I probably won't use. I can only just lie in the bed. But isn't this lovely? Isn't this nice? Oh, and the view. Am I getting a nice view as well? No, I'm not. I'm getting construction site and these big pipes that are coming through. It looks like it's raining as well. Damn it. I was going to use the pool. That's disappointment, isn't it? It's like 5 PM. Can I get out of here for safety, ensure that the balcony is locked? Okay, let's have a look out here. Oh, a bit slippy as well. Wouldn't want it to slip and fall down there. But aye, it's pissing the rain. Isn't that unfortunate? Look, there's a train going there. That's if you get the train to Gaul, it goes down that coast there. And it's quite a nice view. You want to be sitting on the right hand side of the train if you're going down to Gaul, not the left hand side where I was. Learn from my mistakes. So I was going to go for a wee swim and then go for a wee explore in Colombo, but look, it's peeing down the rain right now. So I don't know, there's a wee menu inside the hotel room. Well, the rain certainly has been putting a dampener on this trip to Sri Lanka. This is my 3rd trip to Sri Lanka. It hasn't rained as much as it has in this one. It's quite unfortunate. I'm going to look to see, these are all the facilities inside the hotel. I'm going to look to see if there's something I can do that's indoors that might be okay. There's a gym there, gymnasium open till 10 PM. Look, it looks quite a nice one. Looks like good facilities there. I just wonder if they're going to be happy with me walking in there with my filthy North Face shoes that I've hiked across all of Sri Lanka with. These are the same filthy shoes, beat up, wrecked, filthy, that I've 3 different trips to Sri Lanka I've been using. They're about ready for the bin. So I don't know if they're going to be happy with me. It looks like they've got a carpet on the floor there as well. I don't know if that is carpet. If that's carpet, they'll not like me traipsing my muddy shoes through there. What else we got? A spa there for overpriced massages. Not really up for that. and the pool that I wanted to go to, this infinity pool. I might still just go for a wee swim in the rain and then go to the steam room. I don't know. Or I might just go to the mall since it's connected. I don't know. Let's figure it out. Let's figure this one out. Alright, well I'm going to go up to that pool, Hugh Hefner style, wearing the bathrobe, because the rain looks like it stopped. It is now 5:30, so there's an hour's worth of daylight left. Let's do this. Let's hit the pool. Let's have a look. Alright, we need to use this to get through. Welcome. Which side? This one. Oh, there are people out here despite the weather. Let's have a look at this. Oh, what a breeze. It's probably wrecking the audio in this. Ah, nice. We'll have a wee walk down here. Hi, how are you? We'll have a wee walk down here. My slippers, in fact, I'll jump up this side and have a look from here. Looks like this would normally be like a dining or drinking area or something up here, but it's closed off probably because of the weather. Let's have a look at this infinity pool. The bloody size of it, the length of it. Lovely, isn't it? Pet about the view of that bloody construction works going on over there. That definitely spoils things, doesn't it? Imagine you own this hotel and they just decide to start doing construction right in front of your hotel, right in front of your infinity pool. You'd probably be pretty mad, wouldn't you? In fact, another wee view over here. Again, the railway line. Huh. And this is the railway line that goes all the way up to Gullface Green. Up there where they have the wee food stands and stuff. And this is Colombo 3 area anyway. Right, time to jump in that pool. Okay, leave this here for now. I wonder if there's a shower beside the pool. I have actually just taken a shower in my room, but if people see me coming straight and jumping into the pool without taking a shower, they might think I'm a dirty Scotsman, and I'm not a dirty Scotsman, so I'm not having them thinking that. King Coconut, 250 plus. They're 40 on the street, by the way. You can get one of them for 40, so quite a big markup. Alright, hot tub here with a few leaves in it. Oh, that is nice and warm. This jacuzzi, guess you have to figure a way to switch that on. And another one there with your woman just chilling. Might jump in with her. Don't know how much she would like that. What have we got over here? Wee garden area. Kiddie pool there. That's good. Keep them separate. That's what every big pool should have. Separate area for the kids to keep them away from interrupting my lengths. And this looks like a garden bar. I guess I shouldn't walk in there topless. Right, go for a wee swim. The shower's here, yeah? Shower.
Downstairs.
They're down there, huh? Okay. Alright, it's changing room. Down here to take a shower. I'm going to take a courtesy shower. Like I said, I've already taken one. Just worried about what people might think. Ah, well that was nice. Shame about the bloody construction site though, innit? Right up until dusk it looks like. Right, so that was nearly an hour. As you can see, that I spent in that pool. I don't know what the plan is now. I haven't made any plans. I guess I'm gonna hit them all. Well, I'm really impressed with this hotel. They really look after the little details. Like this, it's a thing for the kettle, the electricity. It's hard built into the table with no wires. Just little things like that make a big difference altogether. Okay, so I'm going to get this Earl Grey inside me and then hit the mall, which is joined on to this hotel. Right, well I ended up falling asleep on that bed, but the mall should be open for another hour and a half, so let's go check it out. Okay, I just decided to come up and have a wee look at the gym first. Look, the pool's all lit up now. All windy as hell. Bloody hell, can't believe there's people out here chilling in this wind. It looks like they're still doing construction on that, 8:30 PM, and they're still banging away. Right, where would the gym be? Hey, where's the gym about? Sorry? The gymnasium, where would that be about? Yeah, okay. I want to have a wee look. Thanks, mate. Cheers. Okay, my accent must be pretty difficult to understand because I said it gym and gymnasium as clear as I possibly could, and it still took 3 attempts at that word before being understood. I try my best, really. Right, got a wee bar area over here with the balcony looking the opposite direction away from the constructions, but still, I mean, you're sitting there paying a decent amount for a drink and having to listen to this construction work, but there's not much they can do about it, is it? Well, this hotel can't do much about it. Right, let's go through here, I guess. Hi, how are you? I'm not signing in, I'm just going to have a wee look around. I was very quiet, that's good. That's what I like. Very nice. See what you've got here. Some quite heavy dumbbells. It's not normal. Usually in hotels they have very small dumbbells, maybe only up to like 12 kilos or something. You've got what, like 30 and...
Up to 50.
Up to 50? Wow. It's very impressive. I don't often see that. Smith machine there. And all the usual resistance machines. And some kind of high-tech cardio machines. Very nice. Oh, it's very impressive for a hotel gym. Okay, see you later. And tomorrow, what time opening?
6 in the morning.
6, I'll see you early tomorrow. I'd see you, bye. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, right, I'm going to go hit this mall. Okay, looks like we can take a wee shortcut to the mall so we don't have to go outside. Trying to stay away from American type food like pizza and that. Right, I think we're just going into the mall proper here. It's quite handy though that the hotel goes right into the food court. You don't have to eat in the expensive restaurants in the hotel, so you can just come straight into the mall and eat some cheap hoppers. What's going on here? Oh, it's like video games and stuff. Brilliant. Oh, look at this place, it's massive. I'm gonna go down and have a wee look at this. Oh, I guess this is where I'm going to be spending all my rupees then, isn't it? Fantastic, right beside the entrance to the hotel. I've got my own virtual reality theme park. Look at these guys. Brilliant. Let's see what else. I wonder how much a credit is. It's probably one of these things where you have to buy tokens, because Sri Lankan money, like anything that's decently valued, is a note, not a coin. So it's not like the UK where you've got up to like £2 coins. Here it's like the highest coin is what, 10 rupees, which is like 4 pence in British. So there's probably somewhere to buy coins, tokens. Go, 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 go! Good, you good? Huh? Who's the best? Which boy is the best? You, number 1? Yeah. Oh, good. Brilliant. What they got over here? Some racing cars for the wee kids. Oh, this looks fun. Army. Oh, brilliant. I'm gonna have a wee play in here, but first things first, I need to get fed. The mall's only open for like an hour and a half longer, so I want to make sure I get fed first, and then I'm going to come back and donate a lot of rupees to the arcade. What's this in here? 9D cinema. I've heard of 3D and I've heard of 4D when you have some extra little bits. I wonder what 9D is. What is 9D? What does 9D mean?
9D means
9 dimensions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I know about 3 dimensions. What are the other 6?
9 events.
Yes? Water?
Water, lightning, smoke, bubbles.
Lightning, smoke, all the different things. Oh, cool. Okay, very good. Catch you later. Oh, sorry. Okay. So, you got your 3 dimensions, and then you've got wind and smoke and lightning and all sorts of stuff happening to you when you're in your little cinema thing. Right, what else is going on here? Oh, and here they've got a souvenir shop, Sri Lankan souvenirs. Your man here doesn't do souvenirs. I'm just going to have a wee look. It's all your usual bric-a-brac, just the elephants and t-shirts and all that. It's not something your man indulges in. Souvenirs just seems kind of pointless. I'd rather take videos and photos and have my memories. That's my souvenirs. There we go, lovely. Nice and creamy. All 4 of these mine. Oh, that's the egg one, is it? Oh, very nice. Yes. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, get stuck into this. This is definitely not going to fill me up, but I'll get this eaten and see if I can find anything else. I want to play Rambo. Okay. Just one button for shoot. And this what?
Shake and reload.
Shake for reload, yeah? And only one button, right? One shoot button, okay.
This reload.
This reload, so I don't have to shake. Okay.
Only 4 lives, huh?
4 lives, then finished. Okay. Okay, thank you my friend. Lovely. I'm gonna eat this cold ice cream and then go upstairs for a hot bath. Well, the bath is running, the TV is on, and that's it for today's adventure from the Merino Beach Hotel, from Trincomalee all the way to the Merino Beach Hotel. Thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe because there are always more videos coming soon.